Hi, this is Jack with video number 3 of my investigation into the 70MAI Tera 1000 1 kilowatt power station. And I want to go a little bit over the various ports on the devices. First things first, I have it plugged in using a 110 volt connector. Don't pay much attention to my watt detector. It's not that important right now. And it plugs directly into the back. There's no inverter built into the cable because this device comes with a two-way power inverter. It inverts power coming in from 120 volt into 12 volt to charge the device and to do pass through. And it also converts power from 12 volt into 5 volt USB, USB-C, 55, 21, 12 volt. And it's also got a simple auxiliary or cigarette lighter adapter, which you can see I already have in use. And lastly, it also inverts to 120 volt electrical power AC, and it's got 3 different ports there, so you can plug in up to 3 AC devices. We've got controls over here that tell the unit that we're turning on the use of the DC power, we're turning on the use of the AC power, and those will become more important in a future video. And then lastly, we've got some other inputs. We've got what's called an Anderson port here, and that is for providing power from solar panels. As part of the Indiegogo project, you can get either 1 or 2 of the recommended solar panels that can be daisy chained together to provide power to this unit. Those devices are rated at 100 watt each, but they also say right on them that their optimum power output is 78 watts. So if you use 2 of those panels, that would get you 156 watts of power. And I'm sure if you wanted to go investigate and buy some off-market products, you could get exactly 200 watts with the right equipment, but I don't know anything about that sort of thing, and it's not in my bailiwick because that's not why I bought the unit. I'll always be providing one source of external power of 120 volt, or perhaps I will use the car charger to charge it. We'll see how it goes. So anyway, you've also got these 2 little chargers here, which are just power connectors. You can stick raw wires in here. How that would work, I have no idea. But anyway, that pretty well covers everything except for this button, which is most important. That's the power button. In fact, when I first turned on or plugged in the device, I thought it was broken because it didn't do anything until I pushed this guy. It's got some other buttons over here, which I don't know anything about, but hopefully the manual will explain those to me when I get it. So don't have a manual yet. So anyway, that concludes video number 3.